So, so you say Filipino what?
The Filipino is difficult to speak English.
Oh, to speak English? Okay. But you speak English?
A little bit.
Little bit.
But the drink is too much drinks.
Then you speak English.
But English is little bit. But the drink is too much drink.
Oh.
Bayat yan, nauray mo lang. Ay, baktaw yung
These guys again. These guys again. This is Saturday night here. And these guys here is... I called that guy here in the blue to come and have some food. But he already started to drink. So he didn't want to eat until he done drink. So he started to drink now with the rest guys. His wife called him for food, but so he's drinking first, then afterward they say they're gonna eat. But if you notice in their plate there, they have pig meat there, and he just eat the
International language.
he just eat the pig meat there. And when he finished eat that pig meat, tonight he's gonna go home and he's gonna pray and tell God to forgive him for eating the pig. These guys, they are making fun. They think God is a mark. This is crazy. So he eat the pig, then he go home because his wife is a Seventh-day Adventist. Then he go home and ask for forgiveness. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah. So he's another guy on the scene here.
We out of our mouth, you understand? Just understand.
Yeah, I understand your English. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, I understand your English. Even though your English is very long.
Clear.
Not clear and not easy to understand.
At least we spoke English.
Yeah, you speak English. You going? You
See you tomorrow.
all right? You finish already?
I'm ready to drink. So better to sleep.
So he. Oh, so when you drunk, you go sleep.
Go
Yeah.
home.
Go home. All right.
That's good.
So that's your son.
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
If you drunk,
Oh, hold him. He falling.
They got company to home.
Yeah.
He said, when I got drunk, when we pulling down, I'm going to sleep.
Right there. Oh, okay. So wherever he fall, he sleep.
When we cross down already in that
The drain, the gutter. Yeah, he sleep there. Yeah.
that's the Filipino.
At least Filipino, they already not good in English, but
We speak little
we
bit.
speak a little bit. If you understand your
Yeah,
why.
I understand. I understand fully well.
So the English, the international language, English. But the Korean people,
They don't wanna speak
you don't any
English.
language.
Oh,
They only know their own language.
their own language. No other language.
Other language that they know.
Oh, which one? North Korea or South Korea?
In the my son,
What South? What?
In
South Korea? South?
South Korea.
South Korea? But the South Korea speak good English. They have to speak English. They learn English because they
Yeah, they're in the
Their place. Country.
in the country.
yeah, in their country they speak English because they're with America. America is protecting them.
No other than language. The language only that they can
Understand?
yeah.
Impossible because the Korean they know
English.
English.
Yeah.
So even Japan.
Yeah. Because I meet people from South Korea who speak English.
The urban rangers. Ay urban.
Ordinary people.
Oh, ordinary people. Yeah. Maybe old folks know English.
The official so
The Filipino was get intelligent to understand English and speak English well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
the ordinary people in Korea.
In Korea,
They didn't know
English.
any
But the people who go college and things, they know English now. Yeah.
Yes. Because this English is
International language. Yeah.
Even you have other country, you know English. They know also.
Yeah. Somebody have to know English. Yeah. So you eating babay?
yeah,
You eating babay? you
Not never baptized.
you eating babay, eh?
Ah.
So you know you have to pray for this. You're gonna pray when you finish. Eat babay tonight.
Si eating baboy.
After eat babay, he pray.
Huh?
After eat babay, he pray.
He?
Yeah.
No.
He after he eat babay, he pray. Forgive me.
yeah.
That's what they say.
So, malpas nga aksida sa agpakawang kakanaw sa kapatawan.
I'm not the original na Baptist. I'm not baptized.
I know.
My wife is.
Your wife is an Adventist, yeah,
Me.
not you.
I'm not.
He's not
But
baptized or is
But you eat babay.
Yeah.
I know you ask God to forgive you.
Yeah, basta. Delicious eh. My cousin is.
No choice.
No choice. My cousin is.
But my wife is not. His wife is not.
Mm.
So is husband.
Oh.
But not purely baptized. That is
But my wife even go to church. I follow him, but
You're not baptized.
I'm not.
You're not okay.
yeah,
I hear
his
you.
wife is very
even a company
kind people.
Yeah.
Even
Company
you get a other wife, she said.
Uh-huh. Yeah. You got You got other wife out of town? Out of town?
even if you
No. If he got other wife, maybe his wife maybe cut it out, eh? She tell you that, eh? She told you that. That's his wife down there.
So this night is what you go to Manila.
Monday.
Bye.
Monday
Monday.
Monday. They have you
Hindi ba
one night more.
Yeah.
So
Dati mo nas plaster na. Panay mo na kain.
Thank you.
Plus.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
How many years?
Kaya pa kada ito mga
Oh, I don't remember. How many years, baby? How many years since we came back from?
Ano? 8 years siguro ya. Saka kami nagpakasyaon. Maraming.
Ang katal-talot tawon.
8 years siguro.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Tuno may kaito ka naman
So,
Ni Mira Joy.
last year vacation, my wife,
again.
vacation here
It depends.
in abroad. 8 years now.
8 years.
Said,
Yeah. Oh. So how Mr. Quiet? He's so quiet, man. What happened? You ain't bring out the English yet?
wait.
His English gonna wait.
Wait. Then I will speak it also.
You still ain't got enough yet. How many bottles you gotta drink to bring your English?
She cannot move the English not yet.
Oh my good lord. Man. See these guys? Look at the shot glass here. See this shot glass?
Small glass.
Small glass.
You say it's small, but it's big.
But the trauma
Drug
there's
is very high prop. 80 prop.
80% of
Alcohol.
this is crazy.
80%
That's
alcohol.
this is the highest prop
Yeah, 80% is that's
Filipino drink.
yeah.
Oh,
You guys are
you
you guys liver is strong, boy. Wow.
and so that Filipinos early died.
Oh, so that's why it's strong. So when you drink, you die early, yeah? Oh,
That way come old early.
The
oh. So when you drink that, you come old early and you die early. Oh,
That's no choice.
that's no choice. So, so what your wife will say when you die, leave her behind. You dead early.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
She gets another one. She gets another one.
Waiting for you.
Oh God.
Ito na
Oh yeah. Whoa, look at him, look at him. Funny face. Young man.
No.
Ay, ay, ay.
That's why
Two young men here.
we chose what we want. That's we choose.
Oh,
Even die young, we are choose.
that's your choice.
Yeah, we are choose.
that's my choice.
No.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, but,
But-
that's your choice.
Yeah. But you know,
My wife.
you-
Don't I give you the hospital? Yes.
Okay. So, so do you believe that there is a judgment?
Adjustment.
Judgment.
Judgment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
What judge?
when God will destroy this, do you believe that God gonna destroy this earth?
I believe, but
I believe God.
You believe? You believe?
I
So
believe.
Yes.
so on which side of the judgment will you come up?
If the God judge to Just to...
Yeah, when he bring you back alive, when you don't drink this and you die,
Yes.
and God bring you back alive,
So,
which side of the judgment do
So
you...
the-
Baby, come help me out here. Which side of the judgment do you think you will come upon? On heaven or hell?
I don't think so. Whatever we have to do in this earth,
Ah,
God is
so God will save you still.
already.
No.
No.
To...
Oh,
you came
Ah,
even hell or
heaven.
heaven.
So,
So,
yeah,
even
but
you are a good guy, then say to
here comes the caribou man.
Ipagdam ka nun sa libaw!
Where you going? The caribou guy gone there. Oh my.
This way.
Lepak naman!
Where he going?
Lepak naman!
Sakayan pa mo na.
This this guy ride this bull. This is the caribou here, and this guy is the one who. Yeah, you see, Look at him here. Look at him here. Look at him here. Yeah. How are you? Look at that. Look. Oh. See?
yo, stop your car.
Oh my good Lord. Oh yeah. So you guys see it there now, the caribou man. That's what they do. They ride those bulls, man. Yes. Yes. So we are talking. We are saying. So
Continue the.
yeah, continue the topic. So, which side do you want to come up, heaven or hell?
Heaven.
Heaven. Are you doing the thing to go to heaven?
No.
No. If you drink this thing and you die tonight, in judgment, where you think you're gonna come up? Heaven or hell? In the pocketery?
You don't know na.
I don't know. I don't know drink is.
But-
Even
May question. If
men,
if the
all of us, we like to go to
Heaven.
heaven also.
Okay.
But
But there's a but.
I know we are doing, but God is very good.
Yes.
Yes.
they understand the
Yes.
So understand us.
any he understand
Uh-huh.
his son.
Die for you.
So
And
you
but
are very good person in this world.
Uh-huh.
So are you sure to go to heaven?
yo,
By the grace
Yo,
of God,
son.
yeah.
Oh.
yo my son,
Ah.
are you sure you go to heaven?
By God grace.
Yeah.
That's what I'm working for.
Like us, like me.
Yeah.
Even so then that's the we have to heaven.
We don't know.
All of us
We
but
We like to go to heaven.
we do good sometimes,
Uh-huh.
but
We
when we wake up in the morning, what we do this last day, forgive us. I'm not a perfect person.
Yeah. I hear you.
So for me,
Uh-huh.
that's my
in my own.
my own.
And what about for you?
I'm go to heaven.
What about for you?
But
His mind is far away. I want to know for him now. What about for you? Are you?
For me.
I think na.
I think.
I'm go to
you said to go to hell. But you give a reason to all of us. We go to hell. But think twice and we all of us.
Kalabay ma. Kasi continue the question of the yang guy.
Yeah, well, he say he. What?
But he likes to hell.
You wanna go to hell?
Of course.
Ala ba? La.
No.
Do you know what hell is?
Yes, because is
Hot.
All right. So,
Okay,
you-
kung ta.
So we have live
kaya ko mag-dito dumang.
brother.
so,
Yes.
so,
The
so-
viewer is already laughing.
no, we not live. We not live. We not live. We not live. We
We
not
don't
live.
know
Yeah.
if
So-
when you
Little bit,
good guy and a bad guy. We don't know if we go to
Hell.
God
if we
decide.
will die.
Mm.
We don't know
Where you will go?
we will go. If in the hell or the heaven.
God desire to
But
from one man to
we just
no. I don't know. I just promise
any people.
that I go to heaven. What I have like, but said I say to God.
any
Save.
people
No direction.
No.
any people in the
You
this
can
world.
now
Ah.
sikat yung makamukan niya ho.
You don't know we going to
Heaven or hell?
well
Okay.
go
Every people, even like
Anybody. Even
I don't
though-
go to heaven, but God is there's a
Everywhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
even then
I don't know how to come Jesus, but
no
I pray for to even you sleep, you pray.
Yeah.
every people they don't know
The second time to come
where
Jesus.
you go even
Second time to
after
come
you
Jesus.
die
But if ever you have vision, I pray.
Okay.
even though
So once you sin, you pray
you
and ask for forgiveness.
When you see
Heaven,
people,
heaven.
they come
Because
since
they all die didn't come back to
say
say
they going.
he's going in heaven or hell.
People is as a heart stone.
Uh huh.
Oh, so that the
For me,
even we are going to hell or heaven. Said, anong harap?
Okay. He lost his lost his he lost his English. He lost his English. All right, guy. I understand. I understand. I understand. So it's a sad situation to know that
But God
this
is
guy
good.
doesn't
Yes.
take their salvation serious.
my
So,
principle.
Your principle,
This in this world, but I'm alive. I do it a good thing, but I do it a bad one. But the important
what thing you do? You
Sometimes.
you home all the time when you still doing bad things?
sometimes
How you get to do bad things with your wife there?
I'm
What?
not a very bad one.
Oh, just little bad things.
I'm a good
The-
I'm a good bad one and although a good one, but necessary. I'm
Now, growing old.
Once.
I'm nang growing
not
old.
but I'm pray not every day or
You don't pray every day?
but I'm in my mind.
In your mind.
I'm in your mind.
Di pala ngayon. Kahit din kami dito sa
I'm the Lord is with me.
Okay, so in your mind, there is God with you.
Filipino, when we have already the strength, we follow what they will. From now, we got 50.
Oh,
We know that not good.
oh,
When we are getting grow old,
you,
we growing better.
oh.
So that
So when you're young
yes,
and strong,
I
you
will
you
kill.
enjoy
Yes.
and do whatever.
No,
But when you get
stop
old,
us.
right? But when you get old, now
Not old.
you turn to God.
Yes,
Ah.
forgive
Forgive us
us
for the-
yes, we have done.
Oh,
That's
all right.
why that's
The important.
important that we got 50 now. So the cruel that we have done last year, no more.
No more.
Yes.
So now this young man here now, as he young now, he go and do what he like.
Yes.
And when he 50, he change.
Matagal pang
So that's why he drinking with you guys.
So that's why
Oh.
That's why after every night she drinks
No.
so that he come to 50 years. She
no more.
No more drinking.
no more. And but
Already
I'm
reduced.
But there is a problem here now.
for that.
There is a problem.
Son,
Oh,
The
What
problem
the reason?
is that he is already 50,
yes.
but he's still drinking.
Moderately naman. Already moderately.
Moderately.
I'm getting healthy
Oh.
every day, every night.
Oh.
Yes, I'm thank to God why I live here
Uh-huh.
now.
Okay.
because of the
energy mo.
because of the energy to bring the
Understand.
So they are talking about
My,
this thing. It's gin. See it there?
this is the you take
number one.
So It's-
sometimes
I
that
don't know
you
if you
linglad.
can.
Oh, like that?
360
Yeah.
ml. Let's see if we can find the percentage here
Yes.
of alcohol.
Walang ginger na yan.
Walang danger yun na.
Look at there.
Klaro,
80%.
walang danger.
See the 80 proof?
Yes. Why people is
Very strong.
Philippines?
Ah.
This factory this is very the most big capital company
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
even they have no money.
You know that make from the sugar cane.
Uh,
Yeah.
you know sugarcane?
Yeah.
That's already.
So here is Papa here, Papa.
That already.
He already 70.
Oh, 80.
So he still drink.
Oh, still drink. Oh, if he not stop this drink,
So
he
he
dead.
so he he laughing, he understand you. He understand you.
If he start drinking that one,
He dead.
Already dead. So this is the secret of Filipino.
That's the secret.
Yes.
Oh.
to become strong.
All
Strong.
right. I have to cut my video here now.
Yes.
Okay.
Long life.
Yeah, folks. So there you have it. Here, I'm here with these guys here, and this is the end of this video here.
Yes.
30 minutes of their
Oh,
conversation.
yes. You
So, we're
upload
gonna-
now when
we're
you
gonna
see my.
All right. So see you in the next one. Take care.